Hello, friends. Welcome. So, are you in need of a quick Valentine card? I have an idea for you today that is going to be fast and easy. Just a little bit of layering, a little bit of coloring, a little bit of die cutting, and you're good to go. So, we're going to be using this really fun set called Dragon Love, and it's got this one main image that is super cute, and we're going to be coloring him up. I'm also using the big heart love die, which, yeah, love heart die. That's what that one's called. Making sure, Dragon Dreams. I call it Dragon Love. Okay. Then we're going to be using a sheet of the heart-to-heart paper, and I chose this one right up here. And remember, I told you we're going to be using this in just about every card this month. I'm going to be using the clouds today. So, all right, let's go ahead and take a look at what we've got. I don't need this on my table. Don't know why that's still there. All right, so I have cut myself some matte and layers of different colors. And I chose these colors just to match the hearts in my paper. I've die cut a couple of the edger clouds, and one of them I did straight across, and then one of them I did at an angle on my paper. And I'm going to cut that paper down to be the same width as my patterned paper. And then I cut my love word or love heart out 3 times. So I did it once. Hold on, let me get that off. So I did it once in red, but we're not going to actually use the red. I'm just going to use the red to be a background to glue my pieces onto. Whoopsie. Let's pull that out. There we go. Just separating those. I die cut these two together. And then I did it a 3rd time in white. So we have our glitter blue, our white, which is going to be our outline, and then the red that's just going to be our base. Now I went ahead and colored up our sweet dragon using different shades of pink, and I tried to keep those pinks to match one of my heart papers here, or the hearts in the paper. And then I also stamped from the stamp set Thinking of You. So when I first designed this, I was really looking for the phrase, I'm dreaming of you. And I ended up going with Thinking of You. I thought that worked well enough for our Valentine vibe. So let me show you how I'm going to put this all together. And if you happen to have this stamp set already in your stash, you'll have everything you need to create a quick Valentine card. And of course, depending on how you colored this one, you could color this in shades of red and have it for a little boy. Or you could, like me, go with pinks. There we go. All right, before I glue this one down, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue on my angled cloud piece. And I'm going to raise it up just a little bit. And I'm going to turn that over and trim the edges because I know that's going to be too long. And let me tell you the widths. They're all squares. And this one is 5 5/8. The red one is 5 1/2, and then the pink one is 5 7/8. And if you wanted to go ahead and put the whole thing on another white background, you sure could. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to set my straight one down and trim off the end real quick. Then I'm going to add some foam tape. I'll put my pin back on my glue. I've been having trouble with it getting stopped up. So let's see here. I've got my roll of foam tape here. Right, for this piece, I'm just going to line that up right down here at the bottom of my card. Now I'm just going to go ahead and layer this piece onto our other layers. Like I said, this is going to be a fast and easy Valentine. Really, the preparation and coloring the pieces and die cutting took me maybe 25 minutes, but definitely less than 30. Because you're really just coloring the one image. And of course, if you wanted to take more time coloring it up, you sure could, but you don't have to. You know, you can make this a very quick card. Okay. I'm going to add the same depth of foam here on my dragon. Okay, I'm going to nestle him down right in here so he's sitting in our clouds. There we go. Now let's set this aside and go ahead and work on our layered heart. So I'm going to layer in each of the letters. And this is why I like to cut one piece to be kind of the backing, because it just helps you get everything in place. Here, let's go ahead and put this on as well. I think this might be the better way. I find it helps getting this lined up if you have at least one letter in there already. But you want to layer it right on top. Okay. Okay. Go. All right, now let's go ahead and put in our other letters. And just click right down in there like a puzzle piece. For the final, I'm just going to add in the centers. Okay, there we go. Now, our little dragon is thinking of the one they love, and they have this great big love. And then I thought I would put thinking of you just right over here. So I kind of wanted my heart. And now I thought about putting it on this side, but I think I decided I liked it better down here, kind of going with the curve of my cloud. This piece I'm going to glue straight down over here. And this piece I'm going to go ahead and put a little foam on the back of our heart. There we go. I'm just going to angle that right down inside, just like that. All right, so there is a great Valentine card. You could definitely place this on a white 6x6 and stamp Happy Valentine's Day on the inside, and you've got your little dragon thinking of the one they love. So I just thought this turned out super cute, and I love my little pink dragon. thank you so much. I hope you have your Valentines underway. If you haven't yet, it's time to get on them right now. So I think this one I'm going to save for one of my granddaughters, and I'll be making a second one and maybe a little bit different color combination for my other granddaughter. So thank you so much for being with me today. I would love it if you hit that thumbs up. And go ahead, leave your comments and all that. And I look forward to crafting with you again very soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.